Hello students, welcome to RS Group of Schools for online classes. This is Naresh Verma, your English teacher. Today I will teach the lesson from supplementary Gandhiji and Coffee Drinker. This video is devoted to class 9th only. In this lesson, the story is of a South Indian boy. Actually, he was admitted in the Sabarmati ashram for the treatment. He was suffering from dysentery for a long time. When he was not recovered, so he was admitted ultimately to the nursing home of Gandhiji, that is Sabarmati ashram. In this ashram, Gandhiji was going to see the patients personally and nurse them. Gandhiji was not expert in nursing, and also he did not get education of nursing from anywhere. He learnt each and everything in his life when the thing became necessary to his life. By practice and longing, he learnt this nursing, and Gandhiji loved nursing very much. He always wanted to help others. This was the nature of Gandhiji. So one day, when he went to the Sabarmati ashram as his usual rounds, he met a boy that was South Indian young lad. He was lying on his bed. When he met him, as always, he used to crack jokes before the patients just to make them laugh, because he thought that if patients are happy, if patients remained happy, they might be recovered very soon. This was the thinking of Gandhiji, and that is why only he used to crack jokes with the patients. There was a joke among the people that if you want to see Gandhiji every day and hear him crack jokes, you will just have to be ill and lie on bed, get admitted into the Sabarmati ashram, and your desire will be fulfilled. So that day, the South Indian lad could not suppress his desire of coffee, because he was a great liker of coffee, and coffee was strictly banned in the Sabarmati ashram. He knew this thing, but that day he boldly expressed his desire to Gandhiji. Hearing the desire of the lad for drinking coffee, which was strictly banned in the Sabarmati ashram, Gandhiji began to laugh, and he promised him that he would provide a cup of good coffee, and went away from there. After some time, he came back with a tray covered with a napkin. Coffee was there in the tray, and toasts also were there. When he presented that tray before the lad, he said to him that he should drink the coffee as soon as possible because cold coffee is bad coffee. When he saw Gandhiji coming into the room with a tray, he was overwhelmed. He thought that Gandhiji, being a great personality of India, made a cup of coffee for the lad. And he also thought if he would give much trouble to Gandhiji. So, this is the story of Gandhiji and the coffee drinker who was a South Indian young lad. This is all about the story. Thank you very much.